Hello Crystal Souls, welcome to my second video for today, and today I'm gonna talk about my new deck of cards which I received last Friday. And I can say that working with this deck I connected very well and very strongly with those cards of the deck I'm gonna show you, and I want to say that this is stunning artwork, and this is stunning deck of cards, and connecting with them is wonderful, especially if it's aspect of the mother nature. Yes, I'm gonna talk about Nature's Whisper or Oracle cards by Angela Hartfield and Josephine Wall. You can see the artwork is really amazing, and the perception of the cards is really clear and really very well presented. And I can say that this deck is very accurate of the answers you are looking for your questions. And the perception is very real. When you want a message from Mother Nature, you can find it anywhere you go. It's into the trees, into the rivers, there is an intelligence between the nature. And we cannot deny the fact that natural intelligence can work with us only if we open our hearts and souls for them. So I can say that this deck is very well connected to the nature and very well connected to the our insight, perception, and the depths on our souls. So wonderful deck. Working with it is just giving me pleasure, and I'm still learning from it. The guidebook of the Natural Whispers is not very big, you can see. There is detailed view of all the cards, you can see that. As Brian Freud said, never ever look at the guidebook. It is very important to build your own perception of every card, of each card. So just looking at the desk and looking at the message, you can always create your own perception and your own idea about every card you are gonna use, which is good. Usually I read the guidebooks, but it is very fun also to find your own perception for the cards. So it is 50 cards, and you can see the backs are beautiful, just stunning artwork with the butterflies. And keep in mind that every card is so detailed that you can find any message into the picture, not only to the message but also into the picture. So I'm gonna make the review right now. Amplify your positive emotions. You can see it is stunning card. Be spontaneous. Oh my gosh, it's just stunning. Be spontaneous. Perfect setting. It's just amazing. Higher grounds. You can see how much detailed they are. Beautiful deck, just beautiful. Shift your energy. Illumination. Empowerment. Infinite blessings, such a beautiful card too. You can see new experiences and possibilities. Actually, this card fell for my partner because he's starting new job, I can say it's very accurate card. Acceptance of love. Stunning, just beautiful. Stunning and beautiful. Intuition. You can see that? Intuition card. Maintain your childlike spirit. Oh my gosh, this picture is beautiful. It's just like into the winter. It is actually winter, my bad. Gratitude and appreciation. Be in service. Be true to your heart. so beautiful. Make a wish. Isn't this stunning? Make a wish. Renewal of peace. Bountiful harvest. Show your support. Clear out of the out. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Catch your breath. Trust your own understanding. Oops, wait. Okay. Let love be your bacon. Bacon is just... Okay. Assurance. You know, the author and the painter has a very great collaboration together, and they just made this amazing deck. This is the big picture. Contemplation. Clear endeavor. You can read that. I'm still trying to improve my English. Fresh approach. Inner truths. I know this card is amazing because you can see every truth has its own window here, and it is very subliminal and very close to the inner truths we experience all of us. A potential gateway, this amazing card. When you don't see a way out, you can always see the inside of the problem. So you can find a potential gateway. Vulnerability. Okay. Celebrate differences. Yeah, I know I'm covering the part. Adventure. Make a decision. Oops, the seed there, not sticky. Hope and happiness. You are worth it. I know. Keep your dreams alive. This is very important. Keep your dreams alive and never ever let somebody take them away. So, breakthrough. Enhance your vitality. Amazing. Just stunning, 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 stunning. Be your best self always. You can pause the video if you want to look more detailed view into the card. So, combination of vision, one of my favorite cards. Open your heart. You can see, seek beauty. Ideal course of action. Love matters. Of course it matters, love. Everything is love. The 5th dimension is everything is love. Love matters. Love makes you happy. Love gives you the best spiritual experience. Everything is love, Leap of faith. Okay. Sorry, the camera stopped. I think we are on expansion. So this is the card expansion. Exactly of the last 3 cards. It stopped the camera. Okay, expansion. Laughter. Learn to laugh. No matter what, laugh. Be happy, laugh. Let your child, your inner child play, laugh. This is the most important aspect of you. Just laugh. And the last is pause. Okay guys, thank you so much for taking time to see this video, and my really impression of those cards, that they are stunning artwork and they are stunning messages and very accurate and beautiful, and just this combination of the two authors together brought this beautiful deck into life. Whispers of Nature. So I recommend this deck for everybody who loves to work with nature, who believes in nature messages, and can really, and his perception is very close to the nature. So if you love nature and you want to work with nature and receive the messages of Mother Nature, so go out and buy this deck, because this is wonderful, stunning artwork, and every penny is worth it. So this is from me. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a blessed week, wonderful time, and shower of abundance and love. So namaste guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.